Hello and welcome to Stephen's English class today, my dear friends. And we're going to talk about the 12 kinds of tenses. We are going to talk about the 12 kinds of tenses. हम लोग जानते हैं कि हमारा 12 प्रकार का जो टेंस है, काल, ये बहुत important है. It's very important. When you speak in English, you should know the 12 kinds of tenses distinctively, vividly and very clearly. अगर आपको टेंस ठीक से पता है तो when you speak in English, जब हम अंग्रेजी में बात करेंगे तो you will not make any kind of mistake. आप कोई गलती नहीं करेंगे. So without wasting much of time, let's talk about the real thing. See, tense, समय काल, present tense, वर्तमान काल, past tense, भूतकाल, future tense, भविष्य काल. Now, again, the present tense को हम लोग 4 अलग-अलग timings में भाग करेंगे. We'll divide the present tense into 4 different timings. One is simple present tense. Simple present tense में क्या होता है कि जो everyday जो होता है, the sun rises in the east, I go to school, we play cricket, they come to my house. You know, simple present tense में आपका subject and V1 लगता है. I go, she goes, he goes. Third person singular number के साथ, you know, he goes, she goes. That means V5 form लगेगा. I, you, we, they, plural इनके साथ लगेगा V1. I go, you go, we go, they go. He goes, she goes. Ram goes, Sita goes. So उनके साथ third person singular number के साथ V5 लगता है. यानी कि verb plus s. Okay. Now second tense हमारा क्या है? Present continuous tense. Present continuous में मैं अभी खा रहा हूँ, मैं अभी दौड़ रहा हूँ, I'm running, I'm singing, I'm talking to you, I'm teaching the class today. Right now I'm talking to you. She is running on the road. जो अभी हो रहा है, that is called present continuous tense. Present perfect tense. अभी अभी काम हुआ है. हुआ है? हाँ हुआ है. खाना खाया है? Yes, खाना खाया है. Have you taken your breakfast? Yes, sir. Have you taken your lunch? Yes, sir. I've taken my lunch just now. That means the job has been completed just now. अभी अभी काम खत्म हुआ. That is present perfect tense. Now present perfect continuous tense. अच्छा, present perfect tense का नियम क्या है? Have और has लगेगा. I have eaten, you have eaten, we have eaten, they have eaten, he has eaten, she has eaten, Jack has eaten. Present continuous tense में is or am का important है. Plus verb plus ing, that is V4 form of the verb. यानी कि अगर हम present continuous अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं खा रहा हूँ, अभी मैंने बोला था. So when I'm going, I'm eating. So I am eating, you are eating, he is eating. The is or am, 3 auxiliaries, helping verbs are very important, and you have to use them according to the person. First person, second person, third person. समय सोच के, you know, आपको लगाना है. अगर I है तो I am going, he है तो he is going, she is going, plural है तो they are going, we are going, boys are going, you are going. यहाँ are लगेगा. ये present continuous tense is or am. Present perfect tense में मैंने क्या कहा था? Have और has का खेला है और V3 का है. Taken, eaten, given, stolen, drunk. V3 past participle form का खेला है, right? So, I have eaten, you have eaten, he has eaten. So, I have eaten, he has eaten. तो जहाँ जहाँ is, was, does, has लगता है, is, was, does, has, ये सब third person singular number. Is, was, does, has. और जहाँ जहाँ are, where, do, have लगेगा, ये लोग है I, that is first person singular and plural, second person singular and plural, that is you, and third person plural, boys, girls, dogs, cats, animals, plural, right? If you have any kind of questions, you can ask me anytime, no problem. I can clarify your doubts. All you have to do is just ask your teacher. Now, we go for present perfect continuous tense. इस खेला का मजा देखिए. I have been studying since morning. I have been studying for 5 hours. यानी कि मैं पिछले 5 घंटे से पढ़े जा रहा हूं और अभी भी पढ़ रहा हूं। द जॉब हैज बीन गोइंग ऑन फॉर सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम। अच्छा, इसमें नियम देखिए, इफ यू आर यूजिंग फॉर तो आपको समय सीमा बताना पड़ेगा, जैसे फॉर 5 आवर, 10 डेज, फॉर 11 ईयर्स, फॉर 14 मंथ्स। अगर आप सिंस लगा रहे हैं तो आपको बताना पड़ेगा सिंस 5 o'clock, सिंस ट्यूसडे, सिंस जनवरी, सिंस 2015, टाइम या डेट देना पड़ेगा, तब सिंस लगेगा। प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस। एंड अगेन एज आई सेड, जिसके साथ हैव लगा था उसके साथ लगेगा हैव बीन, और जिनके साथ हैज लगा था उनके साथ लगेगा हैज बीन। जैसे आई हैव बीन स्टडीइंग सिंस 5 o'clock, शी हैज बीन स्टडीइंग, he has been, Patrick has been studying since 5 o'clock. We have been studying since 5 o'clock in the morning. So, present perfect continuous tense. Now we'll go for the next call, that is bhut, that is past tense. Again we have to divide the past tense into 4 different kinds. Simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Rules, listen to me very carefully. When we talk about simple past, we simply use the V2 form. Take का took हो जाएगा, eat का ate हो जाएगा, give का gave हो जाएगा. So I went to the market, I gave him the book. We brought the water, we brought the vegetables. Simple V2. अब इसमें पर्सन का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। I went, you went, he went, she went, they went, I gave, you gave, he gave, they gave, she gave, singular plural का इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। You just use V2 with anybody. Clear? Now go for past continuous. So जैसे मैंने कहा था कि present continuous में is, are, am लगता है, past continuous में singular के साथ लगेगा was going, अब plural के साथ लगेगा were going. I was going to the market, they were going to the market, you were going to the market, were going to the market, you were going to the market, they were going to the market, the boys were going to the market. Plural है तो were, singular है तो was. Any problem? No problem. हिंदी रूप क्या होगा? मैं तो बाजार जा रहा था, मैं तो आइसक्रीम खा रहा था, I was eating ice cream, I was going to the market. मैं तो क्रिकेट खेल रहा था, I was playing cricket. You know, the job was going on, the work was going on, the activity was going on. अभी आ जाते हैं past perfect, यानी कि बहुत दिन पहले अगर आपने किसी काम को किए हैं तो वो simple past नहीं हो जाएगा, past perfect हो जाएगा. That means I had seen the Taj Mahal. Once I had seen the Taj Mahal. My father had taught me. My uncle from America had come to my house many years back. My uncle from America had come to my house. When I was a child, I had visited Kashmir. When I was a child, यानी कि बहुत दिन पहले ये काम हो चुका है. तो had seen, had given, had taken, यानी कि had के साथ V3. Have, has, had, ये तीनों के साथ हमेशा past participle form ही लगेगा. Present perfect के लिए भी taken, past perfect के लिए भी taken. I have seen the Taj Mahal, I had seen the Taj Mahal. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. और had seen the Taj Mahal, had given the money, had taken the book, had brought the mangoes from the market. ये जो भी मैंने सेंटेंसेस बोले इसमें आपको पर्सन का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आई, यू, वी, ही, सी, दे किसी के साथ भी लगेगा, कोई रेस्ट्रिक्शंस नहीं है. जहाँ रेस्ट्रिक्टेड एरियाज था मैंने आपको क्लैरिफाई किया है. आई हैव क्लैरिफाइड. हैज, हैव में रेस्ट्रिक्शन है, इज, आर, एम में रेस्ट्रिक्शन है. ओके, कहाँ V1 लगेगा, कहाँ V5 लगेगा. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में आई ईट, ही ईट्स, यहाँ पर रेस्ट्रिक्टेड है. दीज आर द रेस्ट्रिक्शंस. ओके, follow the rules. You can't change the rules. Nobody can change the rules in the whole world. As far as the grammar is concerned, everybody in the whole world, you have to follow the same grammatical rules. You can't change. Nobody can change. Okay? इसलिए ग्रामर का नियम बदलता नहीं है बेटा. ध्यान से सुनो. अब हम लोग आ जाते हैं पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस. मैंने ताजमहल देखा था बचपन में, बताया मैंने बचपन में ताजमहल देखा था, हो गया। अब कोई काम पास्ट में चल रहा था, काफी समय तक चल रहा था। He had been teaching in that school for many years. They had been planting in our area. My grandfather's laborers had been growing paddy in our field. See, my grandfather's grandfather, I'm talking about the last 400 years. Huh? We saw in the play The Proposal. My father's aunt, my aunt's father, my father's grandmother had given the land, the oxen meadows, to your grandfather's laborers. They had been using it for 40 years. वो लोग पिछले 40 साल से खेती बाड़ी किए जा रहा था, and they started thinking that it is their own land. So that was about the oxen meadows. I'm talking about Anton Chekhov's Russian story, The Proposal. Very good, the humorous play, the play that makes you laugh. Now, had been. तो इसके साथ had been going, had been eating, had been running चलता ही जाएगा. I, you, we, see, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Clear? Now we go for future tense now. अब हम लोग भविष्य में कदम रखेंगे. So when you go for the future tense, we have to understand future tense means भविष्य काल. कल किसने देखा है? Who has seen the future? We all are just talking, but nobody has seen the future. We can predict, we can speculate, but we cannot see the future. तो फ्यूचर टेंस को फिर हम लोग 4 अलग-अलग काल में विभाजन करते हैं. सिंपल फ्यूचर, फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट एंड फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस. सिंपल फ्यूचर में हम लोग क्या देखते हैं? मैं जाऊंगा, मैं खाऊंगा, मैं फिल्म देखूंगा, मैं पार्टी में जाऊंगा. I'll go to the party, I'll join the party, I'll watch the movie. It's a very nice movie. Tomorrow I'll watch the movie. I'll go to your house, you'll come to my house. They'll play the cricket match on Sunday. Will, shall. 2 बातें आती हैं. रूल्स क्या बोलता है? Will, shall. लेकिन shall का ज़्यादातर इस्तेमाल I और we के साथ होता है, क्योंकि फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर प्लूरल को अधिकार है shall का प्रयोग करना. पहले तो हम लोग shall का बहुत प्रयोग करते थे. अभी धीरे धीरे as I am watching, the people are using will. I'll go. They'll come to my house. Shall give me the money. She will give me the money. I will come to your house. तो will आप किसी के साथ भी लगाइए. I, you, I will go, he will go, she will go, they will go, they will play, I will play, we will play, we will all will play, let's play. So will play, will go, will लगेगा. नियम क्या है? will plus V1. Clear? V1, V2 नहीं. will went नहीं होगा, will gone नहीं होगा, will going नहीं होगा. बिल्कुल गलत. So be careful. Now future continuous. मैं करता रहूँगा. I'll be playing the match. She'll be coming to my house. They'll be decorating the classroom beautifully. They'll be preparing for the exam. They'll be preparing for the exam. Simple. Future नहीं. Future continuous बताया. Simple future बताया. Future continuous बताया. Future perfect. Will have eaten. Will have taken. अब इसमें देखिए he, she कोई भी हो. Some people might be thinking, sir, she will have, तो will she have to say she will has eaten क्यों नहीं होता है? जी नहीं. Do not drink cold water. It causes throat problem. I can't speak properly now. So she will have eaten the mangoes. They will have given me the money. पैसे दे चुके होंगे, लड़की आम खा चुकी होगी. The girl will have eaten all the mangoes. और जब तू जाएगा तेरे को कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. So by this time tomorrow she will have eaten all the mangoes. You better go today, then you will be getting some mangoes. If you go tomorrow, she will have eaten all the mangoes. देखिए, जब हम टेंस समझाते हैं तो एक सीन क्रिएट करके बताते हैं बच्चे को, ताकि उनको दिल में क्लियर हो जाए. By this time tomorrow we will have reached New Delhi. कल इतने बजे तक हम लोग न्यू दिल्ली पहुंच चुके होंगे. Clear? So we will have taken the mangoes. They will have given me the money. वो लोग पैसे दे चुके होंगे. 10 तारीख तक वो लोग पैसे दे चुके होंगे. By 10th of January, by 10th of June, the monsoons will have arrived in India. Latest. Because 1st of June is Kerala. This year 2024 we see 31st of May as per the predictions of the Meteorological Department of India. The monsoons are likely to hit, the southwest monsoons are likely to hit the coast of Kerala by 31st May. Anyway, देखिए, the monsoons will have started. Future perfect tense. Future perfect continuous. That means future में कोई काम मैं करता ही चला जाऊंगा. We are going to Costa Rica. We will have been staying there only for many years. I am going to France. I will have been working in a big company for many years. That's the reason I am going to France. I have bought a piece of land in Australia. Now we will have been staying in Australia for minimum 35 years. We will have been staying in Australia for 35 years. Future perfect concept. We will have been staying in Australia for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. So 12 kinds of tenses we have discussed today. क्या सबको समझ में आया? For every single tense 12 प्रकार का tense है. Simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous, simple past continuous, past perfect continuous, simple future continuous, future perfect continuous. क्या सब प्रकार का टेंस क्लियर हुआ? If you still have any kind of doubts, you can ask. Okay? So tense is very important. If you know the tense very clearly, what will happen when you speak to the people? You go to any part of the whole world, no problem. You can talk to anybody, no problem, man. But when you speak in English, you're really sure that your English is flawless. You're not speaking something bullshit, okay? You can't speak, you can't commit grammatical mistakes. And if you're speaking wrong English, the tense is a big problem. Most of the people speak tense mistakes. Maybe they don't have any idea of the 12 kinds of tenses, which plays a very important role when you read or write or speak. And nobody can change the rules. If you talk about English grammar, the English grammar was not made by the Indians. English grammar was made by the British, by the English, Cambridge University, the Oxford University. These are the people, they created English. That's the cradle of English, the origin of English. It's from there. Now we are just learning And when you're learning from your teacher, you got to be really, really very serious. Are you guys serious? Speak loudly.
Yes, sir.
Louder, I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, the tone plays a very important role, you see. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now practice, and I'll be taking your exam after some time, okay?